Hey guys, it's Steve, and today we're gonna master the art of unlocking a PDF password. So as you can see here, I got a locked PDF, and when I open, it's asking for a password. If I just type in anything, it's not gonna open the file. So this is a scenario that you might face right now, and you're wondering, how can I unlock this file? Because there's a lot of useless software and online services that just don't work. Okay, I'm about to show you a trick how you can unlock this PDF with a 99.9% success rate in just a few seconds, and it's super easy. So just go to your standard browser and go to Google. So we're gonna do it Google, so we're gonna type in PDF unlock. As you can see, there are several options, but there's only one that's free and easy to use. So we're gonna scroll down to UnlockAnyPDF.com. So with UnlockAnyPDF.com, you can remove the password from any PDF file online. So as you can see here, you got a button to upload your file, and it takes less than 1 minute. So let's do it together. So they're using the AI decrypt technology that's similar to how ChatGPT works. It's basically a neural network, and it's gonna decrypt your file with a 99.9% success rate. So perfect. Let's type in our name. My name is Steve. Enter our email. So over here it says choose your PDF file. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose your file, which is the locked PDF file that I've shown you earlier, and we're gonna start the unlocking process. So as you can see here, the PDF file has been unlocked. So now click the I'm not a robot checkbox, and now you can choose if you want to unlock the PDF only or receive the password only. If you choose to select the password only, you're gonna get the password as a text file, so you can unlock the file yourself. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this one, where we're gonna get the original file and the password as a text file so we can unlock it together. So now let's click prepare my file. So as you can see here, the file is now ready and you can download it. So let's download the file. All right, as you can see here, the file has been downloaded, so we can just open it and you get the original and the password. And as you can see here, you got the original file and the password. If you choose to unlock the file directly, you can get the unlocked file right away, but I prefer to unlock it together with you guys. So let's take that and the password, and this is the password right here. So we're gonna copy that and put it in here. And there you go, your PDF is now unlocked. View the file and you can edit it and do whatever you like to it. That is all guys. Remember, just type in PDF unlock, scroll down until you find UnlockAnyPDF.com, and then go to UnlockAnyPDF and upload your file. This is super easy. This has been Steve. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.